Hi everyone. As you're embarking on really solidifying your chapters 1 and chapters 2 of your scholarly project, I thought it may be helpful just to provide an example to you. So I am including an example with this particular announcement, and just know that this example that I'm providing is not absolutely perfect. However, it will give you a really good idea of the components to kind of look overall big picture what we're looking for as far as chapters 1 and 2. So in chapter 1, we're really defining what the practice issue or the problem or the improvement actually entails. We're looking at the literature that relates back to that particular problem or the aim of the project, and figuring out what is the best evidence to really address that issue or improvement or problem. And then as we move on into chapter number 2, this is the how-to. Based on your literature, what did you find as far as what is evidence-based practice to implement to address your particular problem or improvement? So it really ties everything together. So chapter 1 is really examining the issue, much like we do the nursing process. We do our assessments, and then we figure out what our interventions may be, and that is what chapter 2 is all about. But there's more detail as far as chapter 2, because we'll be getting into specifics as far as IRB and those types of things, the how-to, and what we need to do to actually implement the process. And part of that is getting permission from your organization, which is crucial, as well as IRB. And you'll notice that in the course itself, under course materials, there are just a multitude of resources for you. Make sure you look at that IRB checklist, as well as look at all the templates that are there that will help you. One more reminder, do not do any part of your project until you have IRB approval. So you can't do the project until you have approval to do the project. And I will need to review your IRB documents before they are submitted. So please keep that in mind as well. So if you have any questions or concerns, please let me know. But I hope that the sample helps you a little bit. Thank you. Take care now.